Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. My name is Haida Afika binti Haida Irwan. My matrix number is 2024411778 and I am from BTM543. Today I would like to present about verbal versus non-verbal communication, and my topic will be the silent treatment at office. What is a silent treatment? A silent treatment at work is a form of passive-aggressive behavior where a manager or a co-worker intentionally ignores, excludes, or refuses to communicate with an employee. It is often used as a power play to punish, control, or manipulate, rather than professionally resolving conflicts between co-workers. Next, who are the people that are involved in this communication issue? Number one will be the ringleader. The ringleader is usually the colleague who intentionally use silence, avoidance, or exclusion as a passive-aggressive tool to express displeasure or exert control to another colleague. So the target will be the employee who receive the silent treatment. They often experience confusion, anxiety, drop in morale, and the feelings of isolation since another staff didn't include them in their daily conversation or their work discussion. So next, we will talk about when does this communication practice matter the most. Number one is during a collaboration event or project. This communication matters the most during an active project, meetings, or critical decision making process where open communication is essential for a better performance. Number two is after a conflict. It typically surfaces following a disagreement, a perceived slight or competitive friction between peers, serving as a destructive alternative to healthy conflict resolution. Next, we will talk where does this communication issue occur. So number one will be the physical workplace. They usually occurs in common areas such as cafeteria or pantry, meetings rooms such as ignoring someone's input during a presentation, or at their very own desk, like not excluding them in their daily basis conversation. So number two is at the digital workplace. It is increasingly common in remote or hybrid settings via digital ghosting. Digital ghosting is like ignoring direct Slack message, emails, or leaving cameras off during one-on-one virtual calls to exclude someone from the calls. Number five, why is this topic is important for professional communication in the workplace? So it will first destroy productivity between colleagues or peers. Silos and communication breakdown might lead to missed deadlines, creating multiple errors during working, and might increase the chance of project failure as there is no communication between colleagues. So the next one is psychological impact. It triggers the same receptor in the brain as a physical exclusion, and this might cause someone to having a high stress, reduce their own job satisfaction, and will eventually resulting in burnout. So how can professionals apply this knowledge in real life scenarios? For the target, they can acknowledge and keep track of documentation. This means keep a professional record of the communication gaps if their silent treatment impact your work. And for leadership or bystanders, they can intervene this early by facilitate meditation before the silent treatments, hardens this situation into a permanent relief. So that's all from me today. Thank you. I do hope that you enjoy my presentation and just a few reminder. Please do not treat your colleague with a silent treatment, as we don't know how someone interpret the silence. The small matter to us might be a big matter to them. We didn't want our silence affect their mood and will eventually cause them to be burnt out and affect their work.